So, guys, welcome to my channel again, and you would be glad to know that I'm in Genesis today, and this is one of the best moments for me, especially. I don't have that much of time, but I took special permission from one of my friends here to shoot here, and by the same time, I have one of my very good friend here. I guess most of the people watching me, you know who exactly is he, and then this is something special here because we try to cover up a lot of things about him, not about only super bikes, but he's one of the champs here who stay here in Kathmandu, and the passion and the coverage he always show. That's the best time, when we can cover up here. I spoke to him this evening, and we decided to let's have a time here, and then he is very kind of that, and he said like, okay, let's do it because I don't know whether he got a time for this or not actually, so let's do it. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
So आजको लागि चाहिँ हामीसँग स्पेसल हुनुहुन्छ हैन, उहाँको बाइक प्लस उहाँको प्यासन, उहाँको पर्सनालिटी, it's all about Yamato. So for that, I prefer to all the people to watch, and then if you have any questions, any discussions you want to know. And first of all, I'll tell you that this is the real name of his. Okay, the first thing what I asked from him is like, what exactly is his real name? And he said like, this is my name, and he showed me the card. And then I was like, seriously, because before I met up with him, I thought like this is something a makeup name, but exactly this is his real name, and I came to know about that. Most of the people, they might not know aware of that, so let's do that. We have a special plan. Yeah, so that's what I said, because I came straight from Dubai, so basically I don't know exactly what exactly his name is, and his profile is Revmandu, right?
Yeah, Revmandu.
Yeah, see, Revmandu, and then his name is something else. So a lot of people, they ask us later before in Moto what exactly his real name. So are you guys clear with that, right? So first of all, I would like to ask him. यहाँ कहाँतिर बस्नुहुन्छ?
म पासपाई
हस्पिटल र यहाँदेखि कति टाढा छ?
It's like 5-10 minutes.
5-10 minutes. So you know what, 12 o'clock को हाम्रो planning to shoot को लागि, and then we decided to make it bit for because मेरो team पनि आएको थिएन. Apart from that, यतातिर पुलिस अलिकति गाह्रो हुँदो रहेछ super bikes owners को लागि. This is something very new to me, especially because in Dubai it's not like that. If you have super bike, they don't usually block your way, but here it's different, and that he told me that recently he paid 5,000 rupees, so I don't know exactly. So
I paid 5,000 just for changing my exhaust, and
yeah,
my bike was like in my police headquarters for 5 days, 3-4 days, 5 days I guess, 5 days, and it was a damn trouble, man.
it was horrible.
Seeing a
So
bike.
how many times you have been to police station for these kind of steps? I know this is something might be personal for you, but
No, like for bikes, this is our first time.
First time.
This is the first time like people, like the cops took my bike for 5 days.
5 days.
Usually they used to call us and like used to decide my, used to We just check your sound and blah 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 blah. And they used to take to the police station with our bikes, and they used to give us 1 2 hour lectures, and like they used to just let us go with this 500 jeeps. But that time we was like done. We were done like straight 500 to 5,000.
त्यो लेक्चर चाहिँ दिनु रहेछ
lecture त दिन्छ।
तिनीहरूले चाहिँ अब बाइकको साउन्ड धेरै भयो भन्ने कुरो गर्छ तपाईँसँग कुन बाइक छ
Recent Ducati Monster 821, Yamaha R3. I prefer scooter, so I always ride scooter.
You have scooter.
Yeah.
So this is the best part. You see, he mentioned 2 super bikes. Apart from that, he mentioned 1 scooter as well, right? So this is what exactly people when they love 2-wheelers, they don't need to shy about what exactly they ride on it. That's your babies, You should feel proud of that. So 2 super bikes and 1 scooter. Nice. So how long you have been riding with these bikes?
I've been riding super bikes since I was grade 11. I started in bachelor's second year, so it's been 4 years, I guess. 3 to 4 years since I'm riding super bikes. And I ride my bike since class 10, grade 10. Grade 10, I don't know, but I started biking and stuff. Usually I was not into bikes, like I was into footballs and stuff. And after I dislocated my leg shoulder, like when I was playing for the school team and stuff, and everything changed. And after that, my dad promised me, if you pass first division grades, then I'll get you a bike. And he was like, are you joking? And he was like, well, I'm not joking. And
Seriously?
And I just passed the first division grade in SLC, and I showed him that I passed. And he was like, well, I'll get you a bike.
Nice.
And I thought it was a joke. Then one day I came to my home and just saw on the table. He just told me, go and check your room there. And I just saw on the table. There was a bike.
Oh, seriously? It was a surprise for you?
Yeah, it was a surprise.
Nice. Wow.
When I bought a Duke, I still didn't know how to ride. My brother and my driver, they teach me how to ride.
Nice.
So I was not into bikes still when I had a bike.
Nice.
I wasn't into bike. But after that, I was into bikes.
Do you hear that? Like basically, when I passed my 10th standard, my dad gave me a watch. Not this one, but he gave me a watch. So when he passed his class, so his dad gave him a super bike for a surprise, man. Can you imagine that?
It's not a super bike. It's Duke.
It was Duke.
KTM Duke. I started with KTM Duke.
Nice. So it wasn't 10th standard.
Oh yeah, weekend started. I started with KTM. Then on the 11th standard, I started with my GSR 600. Now I just recently sold my GSR and got with Ducati.
Okay.
And I think I'm gonna sell this one and go for CBR.
Nice.
That's
That's a nice
Honda.
one. So that's an update for you guys. So, okay, he's gonna buy 1 CBR. I don't know when.
Me too.
That's his plan, and then let's hope for the best. And he's gonna drop that as well in Nepal. From then, are you married?
No.
No, you are not. What's your age?
20.
20. So 20, young guy.
Still young.
Young, and you have a super bike with you, 20 years of age, and handsome, and then what else you want? Yeah. So that's a blessing, actually. Nice. Yeah. He must have done a good part in his previous life. That's why. Probably, I believe in that actually. What is the best part of riding super bikes in Nepal? What do you feel about that? I mean, have you been ever tried to ride in other part of apart from Nepal? Outside?
I wanted to drive, but due to my family condition, my dad doesn't let me to ride out of the country because he knows that I overspeed. So many times, yeah, people texting me like people are commenting my son's riding like 150 per km, like that, blah 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 blah. So, yeah,
The parents, they are basically a bit worried about you.
Especially like people complaining that like I'm riding a lot, I'm overspeeding and stuff, due to which my dad doesn't allow me to ride outside the country. And one day like I went with guys and we went for a super bike ride to, I guess we went to a body bus that day, and I just called my father and I'm in body bus. And he was like, "What? Man, how?" And I'm coming back today only. Hey, come on time, come safe. We went till there. Oh my god. And he was like, yeah. Leave it, Papa. We had so much of fun. He's like, okay, but next time you need to inform me when you go for a long ride. Okay. So,
what's the longest distance you covered in superbike?
Yeah, that's the only long distance. Till Bordi bus, it was like almost 200 kilometers from there. Up down 400.
When was that?
2000. 16 or 17, 16, 17. Recently when I got GSR.
सबैजना गएको थियो ग्रुप पुरै ग्रुप नै गएको थियो कि यो
हामी
गाउँदेखि
पाँचजना जति थियो.
पाँचजना जति फ्रम काठमाडौँ
From
and other
Kathmandu.
people as well from Pokhara.
No. Just from Kathmandu. We were just 5 brothers there. Me, Tony Rai, there was an American, Turkish, Serge, Sandeep Rai, and Raj Rai. We were just 5 people.
Nice. So that was the longest.
Yeah, that's the longest one I've ever gone.
It's quite strict. I mean, in Dubai, basically, we don't scared of police. We're scared of cameras. But here you need to scared of 2 eyes. Basically the policeman. A few things, I came to know about Shir with him. So nice one. So you are not married. How many girlfriends you have? You're not. You're still single. So ladies, I'll describe you his phone number personally. If you want, I can give you my number and you can call me so that you can have his number. So anyway, single and probably 20 years of age.
Yeah.
Good to go. Family में को कौन है?
Family, I have a small brother. And I'm there. That's it.
वहाँ चाहिँ dad चाहिँ business.
Yeah.
Business. So what's your future plan like? How long you will be riding the bike and then what's your plan for
My
that?
future plan, I'll be riding till I get home. Until I can. And I'm planning to go to States or Australia.
For this year.
For in Masters. I'm hoping to ride there as well.
Nice.
I told my father, bikes are a lot more cheaper there.
Yeah, exactly.
I even searched, I got a CBR 2012 model.
We're gonna see him in Australia probably in the future with his trip bike. Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe sooner.
Sooner or later, maybe.
एक सालको लागि चाहिँ you guys can see him in Nepal, riding his bike. So probably in future, we don't know exactly. This is just his assumption.
It's just an assumption.
Yeah. So probably he can join his father's business or he can go further.
Studies.
Australia for his or US for his studies. अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ काठमाडौँमा कतिवटा सुपरभाइजर
I guess there are more than 50, 60. More than 50, 60 cars. Normally when we ride, there are 10, 20 bikes with us. 10 though, so normally we go for rides. Normally us, like, when we go Saturday nights, there are different bikers. We meet them on the roads. So when we go, we are in a group of 10, they are in a group of 10. So there are many group of 10.
So
we only
so you guys decided to go together. Is there any
we
plans
just meet,
before?
No, we just meet them on the roads.
So it's just a random, like you
Just
plan
random,
to
yeah. We 10 go in a group, and they 10 come in a group, and we randomly meet in the
meet
roads.
them. You need to pay something extra for super bikes, So yearly you have to pay 15 to 20,000 if your bike is more than 400 cc second. So that's
That's
something
too much expensive. That's too expensive.
I mean, you owe a bike, and then you need to pay yearly, and then there are a lot of things, police catch you all the time. You have to bribe them, and then you have to pay some extra tax, road tax as well. This is ridiculous. So super bikes Nepal it's not that easy. You might can owe a super bike, but there are a lot of things, pros and cons.
칼로 되겠죠? 칼로 쳐대지 않는 거죠?
That's the biggest trouble.
That's the biggest problem. 어디게는 suspension 칼로만 찍어서 타거든요. 그거 뭐예요, 말이? 둘러서는 이론서, 둘러서는 we have nothing to do with that. When you go, like, usually my personal experience, from here to home to Joe Party, the road is so terrible, I cannot express my feelings here. When you wear a black pant, you go to college, your pant is all full of dust. This is what I mean, like jackets or this, you can literally see the glue coming off of the jackets and pants. I just have a single GoPro. This is the GoPro that I use. This is the GoPro. This is like a cute, small, shoots 180. And the best thing about this GoPro is it's not heavy. So compared to other GoPros, you need to stop so many views.
कतिचोटि चाहिँ तपाईँले ब्याट्रीलाई चार्ज गर्नु
Half an hour, 1 hour, it shoots around 2 hours.
2 hours.
Easy 2 hours.
Okay for you for that.
Yeah, okay for me. So when I go to rides and when I'm running out of battery, I just open this portion and you put it on. So this portion's on.
Okay.
Power bank.
Shoot. Then that's right. Yeah, that's a good. How much was you bought it?
When I bought it, I got it for 35 with all
35,000.
GoPro accessories.
Yeah, sure.
When I used to ride, I used to keep my GoPro on and we used to go for a ride. And
कति टाइम पहिलाबाट स्टार्ट भएको आई मिन यु डिड सम
10 months.
10 months देखि
भर्खर भर्खर 10 months.
रिसेन्टली गोप्रो पहिला युज गर्नुभन्दा पहिला के सुट गर्नु
म पहिला LIC युज
एलआइसी युज गर्नु होइन कुन हेलमेट युज गर्नुहुन्छ सेफ्टी गियर्समा र कहाँबाट लिनुभएको कहिले लिनुभएको वाट्स प्राइस फर द्याट
Helmets को कुरा गर्दा चाहिँ I'm a big fan of helmets.
How many helmets you have?
I had 11
11.
and I just have
11
9 now. I sold 4.
Daily.
This one I got it from Best Buy in Nepal as well. This one's from UK. Yeah, this one's from the UK.
Nice.
British Motorcycle Sports, and this is a limited edition as well.
Can you show our people there?
Yeah, this is a limited edition. 811 out of 2005. This is one of my favorite as well.
काठमाडौँमा चाहिँ कुन राम्रो शप छ जहाँ हाम्रो भ्युअर्सले गएर चाहिँ लिन सक्नुहुन्छ
Helmetsहरू.
हेलमेट्सहरू
For helmets, I can suggest you to carry Turbo Motors. They are the authorized
Genuine.
and authorized dealer for AGV. And this is Shark goes up. Shark money they are kind of good. I got a Shark recently from the bank.
ओके सो चाहिँ रेडिमेड त्यहाँ जाने बित्तिकै पाउन सकिन्छ कि
No.
अर्डर गर्नुपर्छ सो यु सेड 150 इज लाइक 1,50,000
Yeah, 1 lakh.
150,000 guys, can you believe that just for helmet? I mean, one of the expensive helmets.
Yeah, it's one of mine.
Yamato.
So because it's slip-on, it's not so loud. But I don't know why Nepal police have trouble with my sound. Yeah, that's the acrobatic slip-on exhaust, which is cute in my Monster, but it's kind of dirty. It's not because I don't keep it clean. It's because of our one and only Nepal. It's Dulo, Milo. I shouldn't be saying this kind of stuff, right? But still,